Hello, this is Opinion Radar. If you've ever spent minutes, sometimes hours, tweaking a shelf until it's just right, only to realize it's still slightly crooked, you know how frustrating precision work can be. Today, we're looking at a tool designed to take the guesswork out of accuracy, the BOSCH GTL2 laser level square. It's not flashy or oversized, but it packs a smart solution for anyone who values clean lines and true angles. Whether you're tackling a weekend DIY project or fine-tuning built-ins in your home, alignment is everything. And yet, so many of us still rely on outdated methods that leave room for human error. I've been testing the GTL2 in real-world scenarios, no studio tricks, no perfect walls, just honest conditions most of us work in. What I found surprised me, not because it reinvents the wheel, but because it refines something we've been doing the hard way for far too long. Let's dive into how this compact tool stacks up. The BOSCH GTL2 laser level square is one of those tools that quietly changes the game once it's in your hands. At first glance, it looks compact and unassuming, a small, handheld device that doesn't scream high-tech, but once you power it on, it's clear this thing means business. The dual lasers project a perfect 90-degree cross that's dead-on square, which instantly elevates your precision on tasks from hanging picture frames to laying tile. I've used traditional levels and speed squares for years, but this little gadget cuts through the guesswork. Setup is a breeze. 3 AA batteries, a quick power on, and within seconds you've got clean, reliable reference lines. The included adhesive mounting strips are a thoughtful touch, letting you stick it to walls, cabinets, or even workbenches without holding it in place. That alone makes it incredibly versatile. You're not just limited by your free hands or needing a second person to stabilize a level. I've put this tool through its paces in a handful of home projects recently, and it's proven it's worth every time. Tiling my kitchen floor last month, I used the GTL2 to establish a perfectly square baseline before laying the first few rows. Trust me, when tile work is involved, being even slightly off can snowball into a disaster by the third row. But thanks to this laser square, everything aligned flawlessly, and when the job looks professional, you know you've got the right tools. I've also used it for hanging a series of floating shelves and gallery frames across my living room. Normally, I'd be measuring, remeasuring, and still find myself tweaking positions by eye. But with the laser cross, I could instantly see when things were aligned or off, saving me time and the usual frustration. It's not magic, but it sure feels like it when the results are that clean. Now, let's talk about visibility, because that's where there's a small caveat. The lasers are bright, sure, but I wouldn't call them bright enough for every environment. In dimmer, controlled lighting or indoor spaces with minimal glare, they're crisp and easy to see. But crank the sun up, pull open the blinds, and you'll start to lose the line. If I was a contractor needing this tool outdoors under direct sunlight, I'd probably be frustrated. But let's be honest, this isn't really designed for exterior use. It's an indoor and low-light workhorse, perfect for DIYers and pros alike who are working in garages, basements, or finished rooms. I've used mine in a kitchen mid-afternoon with filtered light, and while I had to close the curtains a bit to see the lines clearly, I didn't consider it a major inconvenience. Most of the tasks this tool excels at, tiling, cabinetry, wall art, are done indoors anyway, so the brightness issue doesn't overshadow its strengths. Accuracy is always top of mind with tools like this, and here the GTL2 delivers, but with one condition: you've got to trust your setup. It's impressively accurate when properly placed, but like any laser level, it's only as good as its base. One time I used it to align a row of bookshelves on a wall, and initially the lines looked off until I realized the wall itself wasn't perfectly vertical. So I realigned it using a long spirit level first, and suddenly everything snapped into place. This isn't a flaw with the GTL2, it's just the nature of precision tools. If the surface is out of plumb or uneven, the laser will reflect that, but when used on a solid, stable base, the readout is spot on. I've compared it to my metal speed square, and the alignment is just as good, if not better, especially over larger spans where visual distortion can creep in. Where this tool really shines is in its versatility. I've seen it used for quilting of all things, and honestly, it makes sense. Any task that demands a true 90-degree angle or straight reference line can benefit from this. I've thought about borrowing it for straight edge writing on large posters, sketching blueprints, or even aligning furniture in a new apartment. It's compact, lightweight, doesn't take up space, and runs on widely available batteries. For someone like me who works on a variety of projects, some technical, some creative, it's become an unexpected utility player. It's not something I reach for every day, but when I do, I wonder how I ever managed without it. It's the kind of tool that earns its spot in your kit not because it's flashy, but because it consistently solves problems. There are a few small things worth mentioning, though. The stick it on the wall, reusable adhesive is clever, but in practice, I find it a bit gimmicky. It works fine on smooth surfaces, but if there's any texture or irregularity, it doesn't hold as well. I usually end up hand holding it or using a clamp. No big deal, but it's something to be aware of. Also, while the build feels solid and durable, it's clearly built for precision, not heavy duty construction. You're not going to drop it on concrete 5 times and expect it to hold up. But for its intended use, it's more than sturdy enough. It's not trying to be a demolition tool, it's a layout and alignment specialist, and it does that job exceptionally well. At $54, it's not the cheapest laser square on the market, but I'd argue it's worth every penny. The time it saves, the improved accuracy, and the sheer convenience all add up to a tool that pays for itself in just a couple of projects. Whether you're renovating your kitchen, building storage racks, or just hanging a few pictures the right way for once, this thing makes a noticeable difference. It's not going to replace a long level or a high end rotary laser, but it doesn't need to. It fills a niche, quick, accurate, portable right angle layout, and it fills it brilliantly. If you do any kind of hands on work at home and you care about clean lines and straight edges, the BOSCH GTL2 should be in your toolkit. I didn't think I needed it, but now that I've used it, I can't imagine going back. If your projects deserve straight lines and true angles, don't leave accuracy to chance. Like this video if it helped you see the value in precision, and subscribe for more no-nonsense tool reviews, because every great build starts with a solid foundation, and every great channel starts with viewers like you.